loveliest edits. So lots of love to you. वैसे आपने हमें पहचाना नहीं पहचाना? वायरल हुआ है क्या आपको? नहीं, मुझे वायरल नहीं हुआ है और मुझे वायरल चाहिए भी नहीं क्योंकि मेरे आसपास वाले सबको वायरल हुआ है. How is Nani? Nani is good. She is coming next month around the 1st of August. So I think another 15 days and she'll be here, and then my live chats will obviously be with her. I think this is the only live chat I have done in like 4-5 years where I'm alone and it's just me and not Nani. So I don't know how well it's gonna be accepted. Clearly some people just follow me for my Nani, which is quite nice. Thank you. Lipstick shade. Oh my god, this is my most favorite lipstick. Let me show you actually. 1 second, you'll have to give me a second. Guys, my dress is still loose, so I've like put some clips at the back which I don't want you to see, so I'm just like walking like that. This is the lipstick. It's called Brave by Rare Beauty. It's the best. Like, I love it so much. This is the exact shade. I love it, I love it, I love it. Hi Gunjindi, how are you? Thank you. Where are you? I'm going somewhere. No यार, मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी? मैं घर पे ही हूँ. Love your nails. Thank you. It's been like 2.5 weeks I think since I've had these, and yeah, they still look pretty fresh. I think that's the beauty of having dark color nails. Whenever I've had lighter colors, they just get spoiled and I have to keep like cleaning them. Of course I clean these as well, but they are just more visible to the eye, so then I keep changing them in a week or so. But with these, I can't tell. So I'm quite like happy with these. Actually, you know what? I've been meaning to do this since a long time, because you know when cherry nails were in like were in I didn't do them because of some shooting that I was doing which required me to have like really like basic nails, but I've been meaning to do this for a very long time and I have done it. So I'm very happy. These are not really summer nails, but who cares? Oh sorry, we're in monsoon right now, sorry, but these are also not monsoon nails. But what are monsoon nails? Okay, I need to stop talking. Be more consistent on YouTube, girl. मैं क्या करूँ यार? मैं like let Nani come. I think she's my content queen. With the help of my Nani, I will be able to make more YouTube videos. My shoe collection, that is my shoe collection, and there's another shoe cabinet outside my house. So that has all of my sneakers and stuff. This is more of heels that I actually barely wear. But yeah. हाय दीदी जी, आपने एनिमल्स के मैसेज बहुत अच्छा लगा, थैंक यू. मैं बहुत हर्ट थी बीच में looking at so many videos and I was like, if I don't speak up, you know, if I don't speak up today, when will I? And I also found out many things that include animal cruelty which I was not aware of. तो जब से मुझे पता चला तब से मैंने भी थोड़ी चीज़ें तो ठान ली है क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था. So yeah. ऐसे क्या होता है ना, when I also like come out talking about something, I also get more information. I think that's the whole point of social media. I get to know and I also like give out information that I have. So I don't think there's waiting for your series or movie soon. Thoughts on meditation? Yeah, I've tried a lot and I have been able to do it, but consistency nahi rahi hai, so then I don't know how much of it has benefited me. But I have been able to do, like I was at Art of Living in Bangalore for a bit, where I got Ollie from in Bangalore. Oh, do you want to meet both my doggies? I think it will be chaotic, but I can call them maybe in like 2-3 minutes. But yeah, I have tried Art of Living, where I did 2 kinds of meditation. One was Sudarshan Kriya and one was the happiness program, of course. So those two I tried, but I haven't been very consistent with meditation. Although I have this app called Headspace, which I regularly, I just play some meditation songs on it while I'm sleeping. But I don't think that's meditation. Where's Murphy and Ollie? They're the two cuties. Okay, yeah. Let me just call them. Okay, guys, my dress is very loose, so I've clipped it very weirdly from the back. So I'm just gonna walk like this. Wait. Murphy! Ollie! I think I'll have to get them, but it's gonna be chaos here, and I don't know if I should do this. Alright. Okay, wait. Let me get them. Must be the first live chat that a person is wanting to something. Come, my two celebrities. My two celebrities are here, guys. And before they eat something, I'm constantly very. See, that one is. See, he's already started chewing on some tissue paper. That's what he does. Ollie, no. His trainer says that tissue is of no harm, so he can tear tissue papers. So I'm just gonna let him tear tissue papers. He's here. Okay. You guys wanna come and say hi? Don't chew my lipstick. Guys, this is damn chaotic. Okay. We'll pick the lighter one up and we'll paste him here. Hello. Hello. But you know so many people are watching you. So many people are watching you. So many people are watching you. Oh, Baba. Ollie, you wanna come? You wanna say hi? I was just talking about you. Come. Okay, wait. Sorry, guys. It's a mess at the back because I was just getting ready. I'm just not gonna show you that really. Wait. Ollie, come here, no. I don't know how he just finds things to chew. But let me figure out a way to get him on. Okay. Oh, come on. Stand up. Stand tall. Okay, I feel like I'm torturing him, but that's Ollie. Hi. Hi, Ollie. Want to get kitty? Yes, have Actually, this is the time when we both nap. So they are in a little like sweet energy. Otherwise, it's constant chaos. Like one is running there and one is running there. And can I also tell you a little story about these two? We had first thought that Ollie will kind of, bully this one, which he still does. But then it's also the other way around. He troubles him so much. Like so much, and I have not grown up with a sibling, so I don't even I have not had experience, first-hand experience when it comes to siblings. But these two are giving me a full lowdown on how siblings are supposed to be, or how these two are, and that too I'm getting getting to understand about siblings through dogs. So it's a whole different experience, and it's quite nice. What have you found now? Oh my God! Sorry, guys. Sorry, I'm literally. Thank you, Kyra. How are you feeling now? Yes, Alana had a baby. I have already seen the baby. I don't know if they put a picture out as yet, but the baby looks very cute. And I can't wait to meet her. I feel like Alana has had the most aesthetic pregnancy ever, and I never thought that pregnancy can be so beautiful also. They're just too adorable. Hello, Radhika. You're so beautiful. I'm done. You shut up. The Radhika has been killing it lately. Like I think since the last Radhika had a 2.0 in the middle, and since then she's just been at it, and she's just like looking out of the world stunning. Hi Gaurav, how are you? Long time. Gaurav, you won't believe it, but last night or maybe last night, I'm losing track of when I watched so many of K.M. Mohabbatein episodes. Like I think they're on YouTube, and I did not even know that they exist on YouTube. But I just opened one of the episodes, and then I was also addicted to watching them. And I don't know, I've watched like 50-60 episodes I think in one go, because there was one night when I pulled an all-nighter, and I just had so much fun, because while I was shooting for K.M. Mohabbatein, I didn't know what's happening in the other scenes, because I wouldn't watch the show so diligently because I didn't have time to watch the show. But now after like 5 years when I watched the show, I had a total blast, because I viewed it from an audience perspective, and I thought it was very interesting, and that's why I kept watching all of the episodes one after the other. He's found something to tear again. What? Sorry? Sorry guys, the messages are disappearing and reappearing because there's some... You all can see me, right? Because there's some connection problem happening here. Hi. Okay, I can see a lot of highs. New home tour. अरे मेरा घर ready हो जाएगा then. अभी तो it's already been like 2 months since my house is getting ready, and it's so difficult to do a house. All of these, like all of these dreams that I had with my house, कि मैं ये करूँगी, वो करूँगी, it's all happening of course, but I didn't know that it's gonna be so hectic to do a house. Like you just have to be involved in the minutest details, and it's actually quite nice, but then it's also very exhausting when you're like so much on your plate. But I'm very excited, and once my house is ready, I can't wait to show it to you. My mom is good. She's in the next room. She must be sleeping, and I'm getting a phone call on the other phone. It's fine. Daily makeup tutorial. Okay, cool. I will. Yeah, I've done one on my Instagram that had a lot of views, but I've literally used like 3 products. Even today, I've used the same blush on my eyes, same on my cheeks and lip product I already showed you. So, earrings from, I think these are from Wild Child Jewels, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember, but my friend Muskan gave these to me. I think they're from her collection, so they're very pretty and gorgeous. I love them. My skin type. Some days it's oily, some days it's dry. These days it's been a little dry, but earlier it used to be oily. So I would say it's a combination, or my skin has its own mood swings. I don't know. Bring that puppy. Oi, puppy, they're calling you. Eyes are colored or not? Yeah, they are colored, but what is colored? Yeah, I mean these are my original eyes. With those beautiful eyes, life must be more beautiful. That's a good one actually. I've never thought of it like that, but no. I have the same eyesight. In fact, poorer than a normal person's eyesight. I had like insane amount of power in my eyes, like -5 or something, and I got LASIK done last year. I think 1.5 years it's been. But ever since my LASIK, my eyes have been really dry. So the minute I wake up in the morning, I'm unable to see properly. So life is not very beautiful. It's very dry and rough first thing in the morning. And I have to put like insane amount of eye drops to make it bearable and to make it like moisturized. And once it is moisturized, then it feels a little better. So yeah, things just look very, but actually it's my fault only. After LASIK, I didn't follow through with those drops that you have to put very timely. So yeah. No, I don't wear lenses. I used to wear lenses with power, not colored lenses. Nani is coming. Nani is coming on the 1st of August here. So I am very excited to receive her. We've customized a lot of things according to her in the next house because she wants everything at a certain height and comfortable to her preference. So we have done it according to her. Yeah, sure, I could make a video on what I eat in a day, but it like regularly changes, so I don't know which day should I show you. No, yeah, I was invited, but I don't know them, so I don't know, but it looks mind-blowing. Hi, Kulwant, took your name. Nani wala Q&A must be done. She's also looking forward to talking to you all. She keeps asking me over the phone, how are my fans doing? And I'm like, okay, your fans are doing great. They keep messaging me everywhere. Actually, every time I meet someone, like anybody, like any stranger also that would come up to me that they know and I don't know them, they would just first things ask me, how's your Nani? And I'm like, oh wow, I've built this personal connection, like regardless of knowing people or not, through my Instagram and through Nani's like adherent viewers. Please tell me your night cream. These days I'm using Laneige, the blue color cream. I don't know what is the exact, it's like some Hydra Boost something, but it's a very cute cream and it works really well. Why don't you wear black or brown contacts? Will look mesmerizing. I have in my show here. The first 1.5 years I was wearing brown contacts, which was very uncomfortable to cry in and to do scenes in for like I don't know how many hours. But I have worn brown lenses. I didn't quite like them on me because maybe I'm used to my own color. Lip shade. I showed my lip shade. It's Rare Beauty Brave is the shade. Okay, wait, I'm missing out on so many messages. Guys! Okay. Okay, wait, oh my god, it's going too fast. I can't even read. Wait. Okay. Do you drink green tea? Yes, I do drink green tea. This is my 10th time saying what? Sorry, I'm missing out on messages. Hope you know CPR because you just took my breath. Guys. Are you ignoring normal people? नहीं कर रही यार मैं ignore. I'm literally answering all questions. Please share your DIY skincare. DIY तो कुछ नहीं है, मैं जाके Sephora से खरीदती हूँ. तो DIY तो कुछ भी नहीं है. But it keeps changing यार on the basis of how my skin is feeling on that particular day. I mix it up. I used to follow a particular routine earlier. I want to talk more about skincare, but this is a very like, I don't know if I can talk without having a set of products to explain what I do. But okay, since so many of y'all are just asking about that, I shall get into it properly one day. Because I do, I have done a lot of my research into skincare, ingredients and all of that, so I do know a lot about skincare. But my skin's been getting a little bad lately. I don't know if you could see, but I have this bit here. And it was very painful until yesterday. Okay. My shampoo also keeps, they are very sensitive I have a very sensitive scalp, like really sensitive, like really sensitive scalp. But right now I'm using this one by Kerastase. It's the pink color or something. I bought it from the salon here. What are you doing? Oi! Hey, no, Ollie, no. Sorry, guys. Oh, Ollie. You guys just started chewing on some of the things that you saw. Sorry, guys. This is just turning out to be mad hectic. Okay. Please call out my name. Shagun Yadav. Hi, Shagun Yadav. How did you reduce your weight? अरे यार एक टाइम था जब मैंने reduce किया था, now तो again all come back. So I don't know what to advise. I too lost it by, of course, following. I remember there were these 6 months when I was prepping for something and I have quit sugar. I have done Kathak regularly and I have eaten the same exact thing for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Dinner though I don't think I've eaten food because I've only eaten like soup and veggies, which I don't count as food. But I have done that for 6 months straight and that's when I really lost weight. And doing Kathak diligently, I really lost weight. But now I've again gained weight and nothing is fitting and it's very sad. But honestly, I did one mistake during my weight loss journey, which was that I didn't do weight training. I didn't go to the gym. So I lost muscles. Do you like monsoon? Yeah, I don't like when I'm out of my house during monsoon. Although I used to when I was a child, I used to love like getting drenched in rains. Just look at my background. See, one of them has just tripped the other one. This is just my life. I just can't. What are you doing? Sorry guys, it's very difficult to focus with these two in the background of my cupboard room. So it's like, what if they just eat something off here? Restrooms are very doggy proof. But yeah, we were talking about monsoon. I used to love getting drenched in the rain when I was a child, but now I don't really enjoy it. Actually, I've not tried it. But I love being at home. I love having pakoras. I'm becoming a pakora at home while I look at the rain. Except the weather is very like humid, so I don't really enjoy it. But बारिश होनी चाहिए, पानी बरसना चाहिए, पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I mean I have to like monsoon just for the climate. जब बारिश आती है तो थोड़ा ठंडा भी हो जाता है ना weather. Niti, my mummy is saying hi to you. Hi auntie. Where are you from? Your hometown? यार मैं पैदा तो बड़ौदा में हुई थी, which is Gujarat, in Gujarat, but मैं starting से Bombay में. तो whenever someone asks me that, technically I'm from Bombay, because मैं हमेशा से मैं I started my career when I was 5 months old, so that happened in Bombay, and ever since that I have been in Bombay, so I'm from Bombay. Hi Rohan, thank you. So do you know Gujarati? मैंने गुजराती आवड़े છે. સરસ રીતે નથી આવડતી, થોડું આવડે છે. સમજ બધું આવડે છે. अभी મને મોડું થાય છે, मतलब लेट हो रहा है. I have started learning Kathak after seeing you. Yay! Awesome. I'm so happy to know that. Nani fan here. Please share your hair care routine. यार मैं care नहीं करती ना बालों की, that's why I have tied my hair like this. It's the easiest. But कभी कभी करती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा hair care और कभी कभी नहीं करती, कभी कभी भूल जाती हूँ. Have you applied lenses? No. Okay, now the questions are being repetitive. कुछ नया है तो बताओ. एक क्वेश्चन वाली सेक्शन में मैं जा सकती हूँ. ओके, योर फेवरेट फूड. यहाँ बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं, ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था. ओके, योर फेवरेट फूड. माय फेवरेट फूड इज भिंडी रोटी, देन मैगी, देन भिंडी रोटी, मैगी. आइसक्रीम इज नॉट फूड ना, इट्स अ स्वीट, बट भिंडी रोटी, मैगी, and one more I want to say, peri peri fries. Which MacBook would you suggest? The latest one, the MacBook Pro. But I have been dying to get the new iPad, although I have the previous iPad. I'm a very tech obsessed person, by the way. I don't know if anybody knows that, but I'm very like into tech. I keep watching so many videos about cameras, lights, Apple, everything in Apple, and just yeah, I'm obsessed. माय गॉड, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं. मैं थक गई हूँ, अब मुझे कॉफी पीनी है. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ. सिंग बद्दोबदी 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 अकेली बद्दोबदी मौका मिले कभी कभी. यार मुझे बहुत लोग मैसेज करके बोल रहे थे कि आपको इस गाने का मतलब भी पता है. मुझे आज तक नहीं पता इस गाने का मतलब, और मुझे जानना भी नहीं है. मुझे बस धुन बहुत अच्छी लगती है इस गाने की, तो मैं गाती रहती हूँ. देखो अभी मेरे पीछे क्या हो रहा है. बद्दोबदी, ए बद्दोबदी. Which series are you watching? I'm watching Modern Family. I've never watched Modern Family and I'm having a blast. I've always wanted a very big family, but growing up I didn't have a big family, so watching Modern Family gives me that family, and I love watching it. I'm actually on the season 1 only, but like each season has like 24 episodes, so I'm sorted for like good 2 months because it has like so many seasons also. So I'm enjoying. मुझे पंजाबी नहीं आती, पर मुझे पंजाबी में भी सब समझ आता है क्योंकि मेरे आसपास बहुत पंजाबी लोग रह चुके हैं और मैं खुद हाफ पंजाबी तो हूँ. तो Oh my God, nothing, no, not there. Did you just say that? He just peed on one of my bags. This is why I was not taking them inside. He just peed. Literally just peed. I need to take them out of the room. I need to end this. Nothing यार, और यहाँ देखो क्या चल रहा है. I just can't. He literally peed on my bag. I'm just not over it. And this is happening in front of everybody. सबने देखा है तुम्हारी बैड हरकत. सबने देखी है मोफी. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's just out of the world. अब इसको ये देखो, ये ऊपर आ गया. माशा, बोलिए आपको क्या बोलना है, बताइए. चलिए बताइए, बताइए. थैंक यू. आप तो गुड डॉगी हो ना. आप तो मफी की तरह से शू नहीं करोगे ना मेरे रूम में, क्योंकि आपकी शू तो गंगा जितनी बड़ी है ना. है ना बबलू, है ना बबलू. आपकी शू तो एकदम नडी जितनी है ना. मैं वाली को बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. Are you a single child? Yes, I'm a single child. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है मेरा भाई बहन होना चाहिए था, फिर कभी कभी मुझे लगता है नहीं होना चाहिए था, फिर मुझे लगता है होना चाहिए था. अच्छा, मैं बकवास की बातें कर रही हूँ. अब मेरा एक टाइम के बाद मैं जोन आउट हो जाती हूँ, और मैं जोन आउट हो चुकी हूँ. उसके पीछे मेरे बैग के ऊपर जो उसने कर्म किया है, इस डॉगी ने जो किया है ना, इसके कर्म देख के मैं काफी डिस्टर्ब हो चुकी हूँ. तुमको नहीं पता चला, कोई बात नहीं. क्या मर्फी, हम ऑफ चले जाएं क्या लाइफ से? हमारे कोई फ्रेंड्स तो है नहीं मर्फी, मेरे तो आप दोनों ही फ्रेंड्स हो, है ना? आप दोनों मुझे टाइम नहीं देते कोई फ्रेंड से मिलने का, तो यही मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं। I'm joking. Okay guys, I think I need to go. अभी मेरा zone out हो चुका है दिमाग. What about the view you will? Yes, I will miss. But it's time to move on from this house to another house. Okay, people were saying, did Ollie destroy your stuff? Oh, you have no idea the amount of things Ollie has destroyed. Like the amount of things. I have lost count at this point. And now the minute he starts chewing on something, I'm just like, त्याग, बलिदान की भावना से मैं छोड़ देती हूँ. I just give up. What are you working on now? These two dogs. I'm training them. And as you can see, it's not going that well. He just peed on my bag. Anyway. Bye guys, I love you so much and thank you for joining this live. I will do this very soon. And yeah, this was fun. Bye bye, bye bye. Sorry, I'm not replying to all of these new questions and messages, but I'll do that next time. So let's connect later. Bye guys, love you. You want to say bye, Murphy? Okay, say bye. Say bye. He's so confused. Okay, bye.